Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. Today we are talking about the rainy weather. Yes, today it's rain. After so many days, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed us with rain. Last many weeks it has been dry and cold weather. Mostly cities were covered with fog and big cities suffered with smoke, which caused so many respiratory diseases in that cities. Fog caused so many road accidents, but then Allah's mercy smiled and rain shower has vanished all the fog and all the smoke. The weather becomes pleasant. People enjoy this weather a lot. Every tongue says Alhamdulillah. In winter season, we enjoyed this weather inside activities. We usually stay in our houses. We enjoyed hot coffees, hot chocolates, soups, and kahwas. Mom cooks delicious food for our families. We watch TVs, play indoor games. The most favorite hobby in this weather is book reading. Yes, book reading.